Flash flood warning for this area. Heavy rain is coming fast from the hills.
Keep up, everyone! Don't fall behind!
The water is coming so fast. It is almost at our tent.
I have you, Jack. Hold on tight. Here we are, our perfect campsite by the river. Look at that clear water.
Wow.
Look at that one.
It is so beautiful. The trees, the fresh air. Oh, this will be a great weekend.
Good idea, Sarah. Let's set up the tent here on this flat ground.
Can we put the tent right next to the water?
Not too close, kids. We stay a little higher. Safety first.
Teamwork, Jack. You hold that side. Lily, can you pass me the bag? All right, team. Looking good.
We've got this.
Almost there.
And done. Dad, the poles are so long. This tent is huge. Yes. And I want to find shiny stones.
You two are great helpers. When we finish, we can make a small fire and cook dinner.
Here, Dad. Look, my hands are strong. Marshmallows later? Please?
Only if you both help clean up after.
The fire is perfect. Smell that? Dinner is almost ready. After dinner, we can tell funny stories. But first, Tab, who wants the first marshmallow?
I love camping. The stars are coming out already. Tomorrow, I will catch the biggest fish in the river. You will see, Lily. No, I will find the prettiest stone. Mine will be better. Stones are boring. Fish are cool.
Both of you are cool. Now eat your food before it gets cold. Listen. Is that rain?
Yes, just a light rain. Our tent is strong. We will be fine.
I like the sound of rain on the tent. It is like music.
Good night. Tomorrow will be sunny again. I checked the weather this morning.
Can we sleep now? I am a little tired.
Oh, sweetheart, rest your head.
Sarah, wake up. My phone is making a loud sound.
What is it?
Flash flood warning for this area. Heavy rain is coming fast from the hills.
Flash flood? That means water can rise very quickly.
Yes. We need to pack important things now and move to higher ground.
Dad? What is happening?
Stay calm, Jack. We are leaving the tent for a short time. Put on your shoes and jacket.
Is the water coming? Not yet, but we move fast and stay together. Hold my hand, Lily. Keep up, everyone! Don't fall behind! We're right here! Faster!
Jack, I am scared. What do we do? Dad, look! The river is higher than before. It is brown and fast.
I see it! Everyone, grab the bags. we walk up the path to the big rocks. Keep moving. The water is still rising behind us.
My feet are wet. The ground is soft.
Jack, watch your step. The path is slippery.
I have you, Jack. Hold on tight.
Hold on tight. We are almost there.
I see lights. Someone is coming down the path.
Hello. Are you the family from Campsite 12? Yes. We got the warning. We are moving higher.
Are we in danger?
Not if we stay calm and stay together. You are doing everything right. You moved fast. Many people wait too long. You listened to the warning. That saved you. Ranger Alex, thank you for finding us.
Look down there! Our tent! The water is around it now!
Oh no, but we are safe. That is the most important thing.
Will our tent be okay?
We can buy a new tent. We cannot buy a new family. You two were very brave tonight.
I was a little scared, but I stayed close to everyone.
That is real bravery, Jack. Staying calm and helping your sister.
The path is safe again. You can go back and collect your things. The water is lower now.
Mom, I am still a little cold, but I feel safe now. Me too. Next time we will camp higher from the start.
Yes. And we will always check the weather more carefully.
And we will always stay together when something feels wrong.
The rain is stopping. The water will go down soon. You can stay here until morning.
Ranger Alex, you are a real hero.
You are the heroes. You listened, you helped each other, and you stayed calm.
Yes. Safety first, then fun.
Perfect words, Jack. Now let's go home. We have a big story to tell Grandma.
Before we leave, Jack, do you remember what you wanted to catch in the river this morning?
One.
Yeah, the fish.
The biggest fish I've ever seen.
And Lily, what did you want to find?
The prettiest shiny stone.
Good memory. When we get home, tell us in the comments, what color was our tent? Was it blue or green? We will answer the first comments.